that, we're shifting our attention to more breaking updates coming in. A fresh political showdown is looming as the Delhi Chief Secretary has issued a notice to all departments seeking details of non-official staffers. Sources say that these employees appointed under the Aam Aadmi Party government may face removal. The move raises questions over the fate of the co-terminus staff linked to the Aam Aadmi Party ministers. My colleague Tejashree joining us on the broadcast with the details. So, Tejashree, this could lead to a showdown, but more importantly, we're looking at an overhaul that's likely to take place. What are the details?
Well, absolutely, yes. And in fact, the Delhi Chief Secretary has asked the details of the non-government officials. And in fact, not just the details, but what we are learning from our sources is that these officials, the non-government officials, could also be removed. And in fact, remember that particular order that was issued on the day when the Aam Aadmi Party lost from the power. And at that particular point of time, the GAD issued an order where it was clearly mentioned that it was the order for the Delhi Secretariat to conserve all the hardware, the software data, the files, and the digital data as well. And in fact, they were also all the senior officials from the department were asked to report to the Delhi Secretariat. And in fact, this is another notice that has been issued. However, this is a different notice. But in fact, now remember that there are some appointments that have been made by the ministers and the chief minister for their own individual use, and that is why in fact whenever their tenure ends, the officials, the non-government officials automatically have to end their term. But now in fact the details have been asked by the chief secretary of the non-government officials, and not just that, but again what we are telling you is that they could soon be removed from their post. And you see, certainly there will be a political war of words as well, where Aam Aadmi Party will again be playing a victim card. Aam Aadmi Party will again be saying that this is a witch hunt that's been done by the agencies, by the BJP, and in fact agencies working at the best of BJP calling Aam Aadmi Party as a corrupt party, opposite to what they claim to be as anti-corrupt party. So now we'll have to see that what happens next as far as this entire order is concerned. Who all will be those non-government officials who will be removed, and if they are removed, then will they be under scanner as far as another investigation in some other cases are concerned?
Okay, all right, Tejashree, thank you for joining us with those details. So big changes expected, and of course this could lead to a showdown as well. What is the Aam Aadmi Party going to say on this remains a question. The non-official staff employed in the Aam Aadmi Party regime are now under the scanner. All right, with that, let's shift our attention